So guys, for the first step, you want to click on the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. Windows key R, which will now pull up the ROM box. You want to type in reg edit and then click on enter and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK current user, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand that. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand current version. And now we're going to expand Explorer. Now you want to click on the advanced folder. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the advanced folder. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on dword 30-bit value. You want to call this enable XAML start menu. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And now once we have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the value data as 0. So in this box, make sure it has the number 0 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.